Out four-wheeling with the daughter today. Say hi, Amy.
Hi. Alright, it does get bumpy, so make sure you brace yourself.
Okay, everybody put on your seatbelts. It's gonna get rough. You got all kinds of cedars.
Yeah, well, we've got a whole cedar farm.
Look at that. You want to turn the music off? That way I don't get in trouble for copyright violations. A tough turn.
No, it's not. I'm just
I'm
trying
saying
to
a
take
sharp turn. I used the wrong words. See, girls can four-wheel drive too, huh?
Yeah.
You do it a lot better than your dad. Like when we did the pipeline over in Potosi, it was like we we got stuck in the bottomland and had to get pulled out of mud up to the wheel wells practically. Quick. Quick, sharp, right.
Oh, it ain't sharp.
Then what word do you describe it?
Just a right-hand turn.
So is that where you're cutting up the firewood, or?
This is where we've been clearing out and hunting it down here. That right there is through a runoff creek.
Where are you going to build the cabin?
Right here.
Right here? So it looks like this is my new home, huh? What's there more to explore down here? We haven't even made it out of the forest.
There's more than what you'll actually be able to see. Just driving.
When I watch videos of guys driving, they usually creep through the mud holes and you floor it.
I'm trying to be careful for you.
Was it the end of the road?
That we've done so far.
Okay.
It goes back a little further. We go all the way up the hill and up some and all the way that way. And there's a lot of area in here. Okay, I'm in four-wheel drive now.
That wasn't even in four-wheel drive, huh?
Nope.
Okay, we did all that in two-wheel drive. Now to turn on the four-wheel drive to get back out. So I guess in the beginning it was a two-wheel drive video. Now we're four-wheeling. So where's the cabin, going into the hillside there? It would be cool to make a, what's that called, an earth home, where you dig into the side there. Slip slide. You did good.
It's because I'm trying not to hurt you.
I'm having fun.
I know, right there's where I hunt. You can see my chair behind my rock.
Oh, really? Amy's deer stand is right there behind the rock. What's that blue bucket thing over there?
Feeder.
A feeder for birds or
Deer.
deer?
Deer, turkey. It distributes corn twice a day. Yeah, we got all those bluffs that run
Oh,
along.
that is cool right in there. Can we stop and walk over there?
Do you want to go above the bluff and walk, or do you want to walk up the hill?
As in, there's an area up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll walk you down into some really neat area that you'll like. The area I pointed at,
Yep.
where you would turn in to get up there, above the bluff.
It kind of looks like rock in the
It is.
hillside.
It is. It's bluffs.
I want to put my house there. Oh,
Instead of you climbing up the bluff, we'll go on top of the bluff.
okay. Are you talking about looking down to
Yep.
it? Have you been back in here
Yep.
driving around too?
Oh no, it stops right here. You gotta walk. But I'll show you a nice little area that I where the turkeys are.
You got your...
It's real rocky though. Watch your step. You want to go up to the bluffs first?
It don't matter wherever you want to take me. And these would be great rocks. I was trying to figure out a place to collect rocks.
Come on up.
Look at that one. That's a nice size rock.
Let's see. Oh, this is the bluffs where you were looking at earlier, where my stand is. But there's
Where it looks like a rock out cliff.
yeah. You just walk down through here.
Ooh,
Rock
that's a
steps.
cool lot. It's almost fossilized.
There's
How
bluffs.
cool.
There's steps.
I want my house right there. Seriously, all I need is a waterfall now. Where's water at? Look at that, stop. That is cool.
Now you go through the tree.
And there's a fossilized, I bet cleaned up that is a sparkle rock, you know, like gemstone, not gemstones, crystal. Have to clean that up. So this is not only four-wheel driving, it's,
Four-wheel walking.
yeah, it's like, thank you. Oh man, this is cool.
Oh, what's in here? Wait till you see down there. This is where I hunt right here.
So where's your chair's right there. See if I can zoom in. There's Amy's deer stand.
You see that view I got right all down that way?
Yep. This is awesome. I love rocks.
Oh, wait.
I wonder why they're so black, like coal. Look at that one.
Wait till I take you down there, Mom.
What is this white stuff? Wow, that's cool.
Alright, let's go back up and we'll head down to where a different area where you'll probably like a little bit feel nice.
Right here's where a waterfall would look great.
No, over there would be.
I'm saying water rolling off the rocks.
Well, technically,
What is that?
root. That tree right there fell over.
Those are like sharp like needles. That's cool.
We'll head up here to the left. Take you to Sleepy Hollow.
Sleepy Hollow, huh?
The area I call Sleepy Hollow.
So why did you choose down there to build a cabin?
That's where Tim chose.
Okay, so you didn't get to choose. I would want to dig into the hillside and create an earth ship.
a mini Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas, everyone. So this is a sharp left.
Over here's where all the turkey are at. And this is why I call it Sleepy Hollow. You see the tree?
Yeah. When they were hunting, instead of seeing deer, each deer stand was like surrounded by 4 or 5 turkeys.
Remember that movie Sleepy Hollow with the tree?
That's cool. Too bad I didn't bring my camera. You know, but let me click this. I forgot what button it is. Okay, I think I took a picture.
Now, if you want to see some more bluff, we can
What's that black thing back there?
rock. Or, yeah, rock. This is where the turkey roam, right up through here.
So, turkey trails. The opening back there, the field, is that where the cattle field is?
On the other side of the fence, there's
That's what I'm saying. What I see back there is the cattle field.
there's it's a lot, mainly wood. It's a lot maybe another set of bluff that you'll probably really like.
Almost need a action cam. Oh, that's nice too.
Come on down.
Rock climbing. Definitely can't sunbathe here. I got the tree. Thanks.
It's a little shallower step down right here.
Oh, you got ferns still growing. That's nice. Those trees are protecting them. It's really nice. I think this is as far as we're going to go for today on the hike. We'll go back up and start four-wheeling out of here. Okay, this is what Amy thinks would look the best as a waterfall on the property. But now we're headed back to the truck. Okay, we're done with the hike. I'm out of breath. Never intended my channel to be an outdoor adventure, but hey, can't pass up an opportunity to play. Definitely not going to be a steady shot camera. Or video, I mean.
I told you we have a lot of rock.
I'm just happy that my back's letting me do it. I guess I'm going to end the adventure here. We're almost at the top. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.